Hello, how are you doing today? So today we will want to talk about how you can plan your posts on social media, either Facebook, Instagram, or wherever you want to plan your posts. Let's say you want to be posting different things every day, maybe your products or your services you are rendering. This way is the best way to be able to create a calendar, something like calendar that will help you to be able to know, okay, this is what I want to create today, or this is what I want to post today. Right now we'll go to our Facebook business site application. We'll click on this hamburger key and you will see planner here. Planner. So if you click on this planner, you can see your calendar over here. Then you can start. Today is 6th of October. That's why you are seeing this one, Thursday. Now if you click on this create, because it will help you to schedule if you create over here. Okay, so if you click on this post, maybe you want to create a post, click on post, then you will create a post. Let's just say I create a post, something like this. I just create anything. Okay, then I'll click on next. Then it is asking me that, do I want to publish now or I want to schedule for later? So instead of me to post this thing right away, I'll just click on schedule for later. So now I have to select the day and the time I want to post everything. I want to post tomorrow. I will scroll to tomorrow. I'll select tomorrow. Then I'll select the time, maybe 3:00 p.m. So this is Friday 7th of October, 3:00 p.m. Then I'll click on done. So now if I click on schedule, so you can see that I have something on this calendar now. So it will help me the next time I want to create. It will help me to be able to schedule my calendar. And if it is for next month that I want to select the different things I want to be posting for, I can just click on this October here. Then I will select the month November. Okay, then I will select it like that. Then I will start from the 1st of November, right? So I want to start from the 1st of November. So this is 1st of November, Tuesday. Then I'll say tap to create. I'll tap. Then I'll be able to create whatever I want to start creating for that day. I can write whatever I want to write for that day. Click on it and click on create. Whichever one, is it advertisement, is it story, is it post that you want to create? So with this planner now, you can use it to plan your content ahead of time, so that you will not need to be rushing. Let's say for the whole next month, you want to plan what you want to post into your Instagram and Facebook page. So you can do this for the whole next month and select each product, so that when your calendar reminds you that you have a post to post, you can be able to post. So you can schedule and plan your contents ahead of time. So you can also plan with your Google Calendar. Get a Google Calendar, download an app called Google Calendar. Okay, so if you click on Google Calendar now, so if you click on this hamburger key, you can schedule over here. Okay, you can click on this schedule, then you'll be able to see your schedule. And if you click on this hamburger key, you'll be able to see maybe days. Click on the hamburger key, you can see months. Okay, see all the schedule I have for this month. See all the schedule I have for the month. And you can create another schedule for another month. Okay, so if you want to create another schedule for another month, just click over here, then click on this plus sign, then click on remind. Then you will create a reminder for that day. So that's the end of our lecture for today. Have a wonderful day.